Snow Music Studio. Snow Music Studio.
Ladies and gentlemen, I have been fortunate enough to bring you a comparison between the Cooler Master Nova Touch TKL and the Razer Black Widow Ultimate Stealth 2014. Now with this comparison, the point of it is to bring you guys in-depth knowledge of the differences between a Topre type switch and Kale Orange specifically. Now of course, with any comparison, let's listen to a small sample sound test. Here's the Cooler Master Nova Touch. And here is the Razer Black Widow. Now, what I notice with my very limited number of time that I get to use this particular keyboard, and definitely this particular keyboard, is that the Topre switch are basically stiff browns. I know. It's seriously what I feel like. Is that each and every time that I press on the Nova Touch, it feels stiffer than the Kale Orange. And yes, I know the Kale Orange are not Cherry MX browns. They're not even Kale Brown, they're Kale Orange. So they're basically fast browns. I do know that. It's not that I don't, but this is the closest I'll ever get to comparing Nova Touch, Topre, and brown. We can say that it's brown, but to be honest, it's fast browns. Not really browns, but fast browns. And this is, the Nova Touch is, again, basically stiff browns. Basically. For this particular variant. And yes, I do understand that the Topre switches come in different types of actuation, from 45 grams to 55 grams, so I believe up to 60 grams. This is going on top of my head, so I do not have my facts straight. If someone that do have their facts straight, please comment down below. That would be fantastic. And yes, I know this video is quite short, but I only have a limited number of time with these two boards simultaneously, which means that I can only do what I can do. So I'm very sorry for that, but I still want to bring this out to give people as much information about the Nova Touch as I possibly can with the limited time that I have. And once again, here's a sound test. I sincerely wish if I was in a room with sound deadening material to provide you guys with the most high quality sound as I possibly can. But unfortunately, I do not have that luxury, so you guys are going to have to bear with me for those sound tests. I know that there are things going on outside, and those are the things that are out of my control. I have no control over them, and I'm sorry, folks, you're going to have to deal with it. And what I did notice is that the Topre switch pops every single stroke. And I believe you can actually hear the pop too. Versus the browns. Now with the browns, you can hear the bump, but there's no pop. And it's softer. And did I say browns? I meant orange. My bad. Orange, not brown. Once again, pops. Bump. And I'm going to soft press the keys right about now. Hopefully you guys can hear that. Now I'm going to hard press the keys. And no, I'm not going to slam it because I do not want to ruin these keyboards. I'm just going to hard press. And hopefully you guys find this as informative as it possibly can. And of course, comment down below if you feel like there's any misnomer, any questions you want to ask me about. That'd be fantastic. I'll be glad to answer any question that I can actually answer. And of course, as always, have a good day, folks.